Hello friends, today I will be showing you how to get to the pages in the Google Chrome where you left off. So let's start. By default, suppose if you open a page in the Google Chrome, I open my YouTube here, and if I close it, I open it again, it will give me a new tab by default. So in order to close it and start from where you left off, there's a special feature in the Google Chrome which you have to enable in the settings. So we will gonna see that in this video. So let's suppose we open the YouTube, we open Amazon, we open maybe copyright music here. So the three tabs are opened. Now just click on these three dots below the X button, which is the settings. And here at the very bottom, click on settings here. Now, once you're in the setting, click on startup option here and then click on this continue where you left off. So if you select this button and I will close this browser, now I'm going to open it again and see all my tabs remained open here. You can see that. So basically, once you continue where you left off, it will open the page where you left off. I left off on this page, it will open this for me. If I left on this Amazon, and if I close it and then reopen it again here, it will reopen from the Amazon. Also, there you can click on open a specific page and you can add a page if you want to open. You want to open maybe YouTube or maybe some stocks, anything. You can add that page here simply by clicking on add a page and adding this URL. That's all for it today. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box and see you in the next one.